This video is brought to you by EASYBET. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T&Cs apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, AmaZulu 0. I'm joined by Jet Lee.
Kawija, Chivata Grucha Mbebe Trika, Spider Rolla, Chivila Vagota, Gruena Mbabata, Mbebe Trika, Mudibo Pastarola, whenever my Bukus was saying, Mbabata, my Lukuka saying.
Yeah.
Krakatono Faja, Loftas. Logole, Kafawan and Tongwe. Ako bona matsatsi a go feta krona modiwang babata pele ya thaka krema education vaka bigi kre supela lweni memele spider roller kre ka malofta se ka gonu le gonu le ke bone bo modiwang babata spider roller mbidi ya thaka
bina
my education. So, I applaud Mamelodi Sundowns for their play. Me, I'm a very neutral person.
I know.
I favor soccer all round. We've got 16 teams, 16 teams in this PSL, and all those teams are professional teams.
Yeah.
Despite which other team. All the 16 teams are professional teams, like it or not. And those teams can perform very well, whether who's on the first on the log, who's the last. They're professional teams. And when I came here in Loftas, then I said to you, Ada said I must release a new song. But I still stand and say to them, Woman see, sang suri singang, Cheng kung wa, Chamole su lao la pin si ya, Woman see, sang suri singang. Spider Priataka, Spider Rolla, Mudiwam Bebela Traka, Pariana Mudiwam Protection, come to prevent 650, La Fola 4.
Thank you. Jet Lee, my man.